Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, Infosys 2024 and 2025 hiring. Infosys has started sending the exam mail details like where is your center, what time your exam is there, and the guidelines. We will go through one by one and we will try to understand. Before that, friends, today we had 50 questions. Okay, so today we solved 50 questions, Infosys top 50 questions of different all previous year question. And friends, I had asked a student that if you want to attend this kind of sessions, that is happening inside the Infosys Cracker course. Earlier also I had told you, friends, see, later on you will only regret that I should have bought this course, I should have attended. Still 3 days is there, lot of time is there. At least PYQs, mock test which we are going to add tomorrow, that at least you go through. Otherwise tomorrow if you pay 8,000 for this course, it is completely useless for you and you will regret later. Okay, anyway, so that's up to you. Fine. Now friends, Infosys, you could see today only send the mail. So Infosys off campus recruitment drive test guidelines. Okay, so dear candidate, thank you for applying for the Infosys off-campus recruitment for the role of system engineer. You have been shortlisted for the test process. Find the details below. Test date 4th of October, mode in person, reporting time 9 AM. Friends, those who have not received the email, you will receive. Please don't worry about it. Okay, fine. So the interview, if you are shortlisted, interview will be on 5th of October. Kindly make the necessary arrangement to present at the venue. Okay, now here. So this is the attachment guidelines. If you'll open, let's see what is written there. Okay, so friends, see, laptop they will only give you. You cannot take the laptop and go at the center, right? So test will be conducted in various labs in the college campuses. So they will give you the the system, but anyway you take your own laptop also if you want. You are required to carry a valid government ID, photo ID and college ID to the test venue. So they have not told you are required to carry a laptop. They have told you are required to carry a valid government photo ID and college ID. That means carrying your laptop is not required. But anyway, I don't want to take blame on myself, so you take a laptop along with you if it is feasible. Ensure you have a comfortable chair and are seated upright. Use of online communication application during the test is strictly prohibited. Don't use ChatGPT. Close all programs and application including communication application like Skype, Microsoft Teams, etc. before you begin to take the test. Mobile phones, calculators, smartwatches and similar devices are not allowed inside the examination hall. You may keep a stationary item with you for taking the test. So please take a pen, at least 2 pen, and take some 2-3 white paper also. If they give you, well and good, otherwise you use yours. Okay, that time don't leave any options. Windows, okay, don't switch out the test screen. Switching out of the test screen to another window will be treated as a violation of the code of conduct for the test and it is automatically tracked. Log in within 15 minutes of a start of the test. Remain open only for 15 minutes. The slot the test is to begin at 11 AM. Then you must log in and start the test latest by 11:15. If you miss the login window, you will no longer be able to take the test. Okay, fine. Behavioral guidelines. Please adhere to college dress code policies. You must not use headphone, earphones or any other type of external audio. You must communicate with any other person by means. Okay, so system requirements. So i3 core processor or higher, 4 GB RAM. So this everybody will be having it. That's all. Okay, so friends, and those who have not received the email from the Infosys for your test. Okay, so see, this might be happening phase 1 and phase 2 might come soon. So you have to wait. Okay, so you have to wait. And for phase 2, so after this interview and written test and interview only, your chances will come. Okay friends, we have already put lot of preparation videos on our YouTube channel if you'll go and search. Okay, and this 50 days, right? So this 50 questions seat were really very interesting. Okay, because all type of questions, aptitude, reasoning, lot of puzzle questions were also there. This PDF we will provide, try to provide you for free. So lot of puzzle questions in the beginning. If you'll see 50 questions. Okay, so 50 questions is too much actually. If you practice that, all type of questions will be covered. Lot of puzzles of different types, everything we covered today. And friends, now also 3 days is sufficient, like 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Okay, so utilize it properly. This crash course is still going to help you a lot. Thank you. Take care. All the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.